Hi guys, thanks for joining me. On today's episode we have our brand new Lawmate Bluetooth speaker, and for the next few episodes I'll be bringing you a ton of new Lawmate products that we've got. So we've just got a lot of brand new additions to the range. First and foremost, we'll get it kicked off with our Bluetooth speaker. We'll go through, do an unbox, and then in the next video, hopefully you'll join us for that, we'll do a breakdown of it, we'll do a little bit of an audio test and all the rest of it. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm pretty excited, these just came in yesterday, so let's see what they're all about. So we have our lovely Lawmate box design as usual. On the inside, oh yeah, it does look good. We have our little Bluetooth speaker here. Oh, it's pretty hefty. So I read in the description, this guy weighs close to 400 grams, so almost half a kilo on this little Bluetooth speaker, so I can't wait to see what that little guy can do. We'll just peel this off the top, and I'll do it right close to the mic so you guys can hear it. Oh, that's so satisfying. So at the top here you've got your volume up and down, and then your skip track and your power button. So we'll just set that to one side. We also have our charge cable, which plugs in the back of the unit, just down here. And then if I take off the top insert, we have the instructions. So this unit can link into your Wi-Fi. So if you download the PV-Cam app, you've got that option. And then we've got the instructions, along with the 16 gig micro SD card and adapter that all of the Lawmate products sold through the spystore.com.au come with. So thanks for joining us for the unbox, guys. I'm really excited to see what this little guy can do. And join us on the next video and we'll break down each and everything about it, battery life, viewing angle, all the rest of it, and I'll show you what it's capable of doing. See you on the next one.